Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi. Unboxing Niimbot D110 Mini Label Maker. This is the upgraded version mini Bluetooth labeler measuring just 146 grams. It works with thermal stickers, so there is no need for toner or ink. It has a wireless Bluetooth little label maker that can slip into your pocket. It has an upgraded automatic paper return positioning function. The position of the first label is automatically calibrated when the machine is turned on. There is no waste for the first paper and automatic label recognition, which helps you save money, time, and effort. The label printing width is up to 15 millimeters. The D110 label printer uses BPA-free direct thermal technology with 203 dpi resolution printhead and has built-in rechargeable battery with 1500 mAh. Large capacity, can work for a long time. This mini wireless thermal label printer is compatible with iOS and Android phones. You need to download the Niimbot app from Google Play or App Store. The app provides multiple creative functions and templates. Easy to create various design label stickers from the app to make the label you need. It is widely used in home storage and organization, school and office file classification, and small business, such as jar stickers, food date, cosmetics, personal items, name tags, cable identification, price tags, jewelry labels, etc. It's also the perfect back-to-school supplies and home helper. Simple to use. Love the app interface, so much better than using other label makers with dedicated built-in keyboards. App Bluetooth connectivity is the way to go, so much better to type on your own phone's keyboard. The app also offers a wide array of features, some of which I will probably never use, but it is nice to have. You can essentially customize your labels and text any way you want. Very versatile. No account registration or personal data sharing is required. Another plus. It's that simple. I hope you enjoy this video. Have a great day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.